8-minute tutorial for beginners. Crochet flower hair clip. Yarn. 4-ply cotton. Start by crocheting the main body. Begin with a magic ring. Hold the yarn between your pinky and ring finger, bring it over your index finger, and wrap it around your middle finger once. Use your thumb to hold the crossover point. Insert the hook through the loop, catch the yarn from your index finger, and pull through to form a loop. Do not make it too tight, or it will be difficult to pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This completes one chain, which is also a standing stitch. Does not count as a stitch. Remove the loop and hold it. Then, work single crochet into the ring. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn under, and pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. 1 single crochet is complete. From the side, each stitch looks like a V. This is the first stitch of the first round. Work a total of 6 single crochet into the ring. Complete the remaining 4 stitches on your own. No repeated demonstration. After completing 6 single crochet, beginners can place a stitch marker in the last stitch. The loop on the hook does not count as a stitch. Each V represents 1 stitch, 6 in total. Tighten the ring by pulling the short end until the center is closed. Join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. This slip stitch counts as the first stitch of the second round. Do not pull too tight. Start the second round. First, make 9 chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. 1 chain. From the side, each looks like a V. Make 9 in total. After 9 chain, make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Pull tight. 1 motif is complete. The pattern for this round is 1 slip stitch, 9 chain, 1 slip stitch, all worked into the same stitch. For the second group, first, make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Do not pull the starting slip stitch too tight. Then make 9 chain. After 9 chain, make a slip stitch into the same stitch. 2 groups are now complete. Continue in this pattern to finish the round. After 6 motifs, make a slip stitch into the slip stitch of the previous round to join. Third round, work into the large chain space. First, make a double crochet. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the chain space. Yarn under and pull up a loop. Adjust the height to match the previous stitches. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. 2 loops remain. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet. From the side, each stitch looks like a V. Beginners may place a stitch marker. Work a total of 14 double crochet into the same chain space. Complete the remaining 12 double crochet on your own. No repeated demonstration. After 14 double crochet, Insert the hook into the slip stitch between two chain spaces from the previous round and make a slip stitch. This completes the first motif. The pattern for this round is work 14 double crochet into each large chain space and make a slip stitch into the slip stitch between two chain spaces. Work 14 double crochet into the second chain space and complete the rest on your own. After 14 double crochet, make a slip stitch into the slip stitch between the chain spaces. Two groups are complete. Repeat the pattern to finish the remaining parts. No repeated demonstration. After all 6 motifs are done, make a slip stitch into the slip stitch between two chain spaces from the previous round. Then make 1 chain and fasten off. Pull tight. The starting tail has been woven in while working. Cut it directly. Weave in the end with a darning needle. Turn over to the backside, pass the needle through 6 to 8 stitches, and trim excess. The petal is complete. Next, use yellow yarn for the center. Thread a darning needle with a piece of yarn. Insert the needle from the back of the first round of the flower, leaving a tail at the bottom. Place the needle on the flower and hold it with your left thumb. Wrap the yarn on the right around the needle 4 to 5 times. Pull the right tail tight while pinching the coils. Insert the needle into the adjacent stitch to the left of the entry point, not the same stitch. Keep holding the coils with your left thumb and pull the needle through with your right hand. This creates a French knot. The more wraps, the larger the knot. Then, working counterclockwise, insert the needle into the next stitch and repeat. Hold, wrap 4 to 5 times. Insert into the adjacent left stitch. Hold the coils and pull the needle through. After completing 1 round, add a few more knots in the center to fill it. Complete on your own. No repeated demonstration. When finished, fasten off. Tie the 2 ends together and secure. You can weave in the ends with a darning needle or glue them down. Finally, glue the hair clip to the back. Done.